Penmanship, August 31st. So on your penmanship for today, we are going to review capital Y, capital Z, and then we're going to do something different because we finished all of our letters. I'm just going to do our capital Y's and Z's right here. Well, no, like I said, we'll go ahead and do them up here. All right, so for capital Y, we start at the top, we come around and down, back up. Now this is just a review. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to stretch to reach up there. So that's our capital Y and our little y, and then our capital Z. I'm sorry, it looks messy. I'm stretching. And our little z. So you will need to write on one line, capital Y, capital Y, little y, 2 times, skip a line, capital Z, little z, 2 times, and skip a line. Now we have finished all of our letters. So from now on, I will take 1 to 2 penmanship seat work grades a day. Now I'm not going to tell you which days they're going to be because I want you to practice your best penmanship every single day. From this point on out, all spelling needs to be in cursive writing. All Bible needs to be in cursive writing. We've learned all our letters and we're not going to get used to doing it until we do it all the time. So from here on out, it's cursive Bible, cursive spelling, of course, cursive penmanship. When you write your answers in your science and history books, if you need to print those, it might be easier for you to print those answers smaller. That's fine. But anything that is written out, your reading vocab, anything that is written out from this point on needs to be cursive. And I will be doing 2 to 3 cursive penmanship grades a week, okay? So what we're going to do today for the rest of our cursive is we are going to write our first 3 vocabulary words for spelling list 5. Criteria, bacteria, media. We're going to write the words and their definitions in cursive. So you will skip a line from your last from your ZZ and ZZ, and you will write the word criteria. Now notice I'm starting right at my dotted line. There's my R. I'm going up for my I. I'm swooping around and up for my T, back down for my up for my E, my R, my I, and my A. So there is criteria. Now I'm going to underline that word. That's what I want you to do on your papers. Underline criteria, put a dash, and the definition is standards are rules by which things can be judged. Notice my my connections. I go to my starting point for each letter and I retrace back around if necessary. So there's standards or rules by which things can be judged. Of course, you can read this straight out of your spelling book as well. Okay? So then you will skip a line and you will write the word bacteria. Notice the connection off of the B and the A. So I retrace down for my B. I swoop out. I go to my starting point for my A. There it is. Now I retrace back up, come around, I close it up. I come out and swoop out for my C. Come down. There's my T, R, I, and A. Bacteria. I'm going to underline the word bacteria. You're going to put a dash, and you're going to write the definition. And then your last one, after you get that one read, skip a line, and you will do media. Remember our M has 3 humps? Media. Underline it, put a dash. All right, so, but now you're going to write out your definitions for these 2 as well, okay? So do your best, and that will be our penmanship class for today. All righty.